He has no idea. He has no idea. He has no idea.
I have the hiccups now.
Oh no, Grimmi. Oh no.
Oh, I'm in a pink room.
I don't know if I should. Okay.
No, Grimmi.
Okay.
Boo. You've got this. You've got this. You've got
there's a
this.
TV
You've got
over here.
this.
Oh no, there's also. Oh, those are.
Oh god!
What?
Oh, his head is so scary.
He's trying to get back into the room.
Why does he walk like that?
What?
Bro, he's gotta go to the bathroom. That's why he's walking like that.
Oh. Okay, that's not fun. They're very scary. Okay, that's not fun. I don't have the hiccups anymore. Cool.
That's a guy.
One way to get rid of all my hiccups.
Oh dear God. Oh dear God.